Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere you are, I'm back again. I'm be that girl with the talk truth. People don't know me as that girl with the talk truth. If you first start to see my video, please subscribe. And if you like my video, don't forget to click like. I love you guys. One love and thanks for subscribing. Although what I want to talk about today now about one video I watched for internet. This happen for Europe country, yes, na this thing happen. The boy dey waka, you see the girl wear short thing, dey video the girl, dey talk, two of them dey change ways, you understand? Although if you dey that type wey dey follow my video, you go know say me, anything embarrassment, I no dey like am. If guy dey insult girl or if guy carry phone do video, post that embarrassing thing, post that girl for video, if girl too do am, the both side, me I no dey support that thing. I no dey support that. Me as that girl dey talk true, so I wan chook my mouth for this matter. Although this video wey I wan do today, get as this video go take be, e get as the video go take be. So wetin I wan talk about this, as this guy video this thing finish, the girl do even talk say him go beat the girl if the girl mess up, the girl waka comot. I like wetin the girl do, you understand? Because the place where dem dey, even if you beat that girl, anything you do that girl, before people go come out come save the girl, you don wound am well well, you understand? No problem. I like as that girl take comot, go. The guy still get the guts put the video for internet. The thing come dey rain, you understand my point? Although wetin I wan talk, e don reach time wey be say girls, una go use person for scapegoat. I dey tell you truth, use one person, and if you wan use that person for scapegoat, abeg no forget do video put am. Me as that girl wey dey talk truth, I go chook mouth put am. Make una use the person for scapegoat, this thing go stop, you understand? Because wetin wan make me talk this video matter no be because of this particular video na im make me wan put mouth. I go talk am generally, how guys go use girl pass take hurt the girl, or as e go use the girl present take hurt the girl. You understand my point? Na wetin I wan talk about. Although we dey Europe, you see Europe na place wey be say cold dey. E be like say na summer be 3 months for summer, you understand? You go see white people dem, I just go for white because I know say they go say we black we too dey copy. According to that boy, for wetin he talk for that video, na him I wan explain to am. Wetin make white dey almost half naked if sun come, you understand? I understand person wey dey Africa, if you dey talk this way, this guy wey dey Europe talk, I go just overlook am because he never come. But person wey dey Europe, wey you know as cold be for this road, if summer come outside, wetin go make white person go wear, you go see that they go wear half naked, or this one if sun come outside, you think say they dey use am do shakara? I be think say na dem get pose they take am do. Na just for them to collect sun for their body, because they know say before you go know, the after dey reach 3 months, the sun go back. Dem go come dey cover body. Abi no know say cold dey damage body? Abi no know? At times e get sickness wey person go dey sick, doctor go tell am say abeg, e better say make you go Africa go collect sun so that you go dey okay. So me I understand say we Africa, as they take talk, we dey do copy. If you can't beat them, you join them. So wetin go make oyibo wear that kind clothes for am to correct sun? Wetin go make Africa wey dey live for the land make e no wear am? Because I no just understand. Wetin go make am make e no wear that clothes? Because e be Africa. Where una go chook mouth put? Una no go fit chook mouth put. You that boy wey do that video, why you no go meet all these cut people, chook mouth put for their matter? Make you see wetin they go do you at last. Me I dey talk am o. E don reach time wey be say girls, make una use one person as scapegoat. They go stop to dey post anything for internet. As me and you even dey talk am, e get girl wey wan take im life because of say im past dey hurt am. You see make we forget say person go marry or person go do, at times e go come cool down, e no go come dey do anything wey im dey do. You no know say at times our past dey hurt us. Nobody go come out wey go tell me say im dey perfect for im past. Say im past im dey perfect, im no do anything. You see this snapping of a thing, person go snap im naked, go snap this and give. You know say husband and wife at times they dey do am. Their husband go dey travel, they go snap their naked give their husband, all those kind of stuff. They go. No know say at times husband and wife they play romantic for phone. Wetin young people dey do? They do am. I be think say they no fit do am. If young people fit do, wetin make husband and wife no go fit do am? Eh? Okay, at last now, maybe that man phone e lost. Another person see am, another person post am. Or maybe the person go the guy house, the guy snap am, that person no know when he snap am. Tomorrow he go come use that thing dey threa ten that person. Or maybe the girl e go wash person husband, he snap the person nakedness. He come use that one come dey threa ten the man say if the man no give am so amount, he go disgrace am. Or maybe mostly na boys this thing dey dey. They go get the girl naked picture, they go come dey threa ten that girl, say they go expose am for internet, say if the girl no buy to their rule, or if the girl no do this one. See, I tell you now, I get solution for una. No need say you dey fear say you want to go and take away your life. Say you dey fear ashame, say the person wan disgrace you, this one. No need say you dey fear that kind one. No. If you be person wey be say you get that problem as I dey talk now, you know the best way you go do, go back house, meet your husband or meet your wife, confess to am, tell am the truth. Man wey go stand for you, woman wey go stand for you go stand for you. Man wey go leave you, woman wey go leave you go leave you. If una put hand together, that person, you know na no even know wetin be hacking. Na know wetin be hacking. The phone wey they take do that video, wey they take put am for internet, they go find that person come outside. I trust people wey dey hack. The person go find come outside. Oyibo, you know they hard them to find person wey do that kind thing come outside. You know they hard them. You understand? You get what they call, you see, no need say you go talk say leave everything for God. Now God go fight. See, this time around, no be where they leave things for God. Though. I dey tell you, this time around, no be where you go talk say leave things for God. God go fight. Use one person for scapegoat, others go learn. Treat that person like a criminal. Call calibrator for him. Call police for him. In fact, treat that person like criminal. Others go learn. If you don't treat that person finish, go in local way. Others go learn. Because me, I don't dey sick and tired. Man, they see where they go dey post a girl. If they no post the girl nude pic, they go post the girl, say the girl they half naked. If they no post her, they go dey post girls things they come out of. And if you follow wetin bring that thing come outside, either the boy toast the girl no gree. He go say he go want destroy am. You understand my point? So I beg girls, me, you see me, I tell you the truth. As I dey, you see me, I no be dog girl. I know they do myself. Oh. If my past go hurt me, but that person go make my past hurt me, oh my God. He go regret the day when he meet me. He go regret the day when he meet me. Or as I dey waka for road now, I dress the way I take my money, go buy clothes wey I like, I put am for body. You do video. I tell you, if you dey do that video, you do it for where person no dey waka, go keep short for you. But wetin make me come out for where that person dey waka, you go know say, Allah, all the do no di. All the do no di. E be like say girls no dey know their value. E be like some no dey know that una value. Na be the thing. Oh, you see Europe, na girls get Europe. Una no dey know una value. Na be the thing. Una no dey let any chingom person come dey threaten una life. Una confuse say una go use because of the disgrace, una go take una life. Come una no dey let that kind of thing happen. I bet una use one person for scapegoat, others go learn. Because me, I don't dey sick and tired to dey see rubbish. If na Africa, you no go fit do that kind thing. If you no see am in another method, you go see am in another method. You go still be that one disgrace. Now, if they no disgrace girls with nude pics, they go disgrace girls with wetin she wear for body. If they no disgrace, they go disgrace girl with one thing. You go see say they must disgrace that girl with one thing, put am for internet. Wetin make you feel say you get the right to disgrace that girl? Now because they never use una for scapegoat, na him be the thing. More na use them for scapegoat, spiritual and physical. My dear, we need draw water. Others go learn lesson. I don't talk am. You see this internet. This phone of a thing, this camera wey be say una go feel say una go hold am for hand, take disgrace another person. One day go put una for trouble. One day, you go carry una put for where una no supposed to dey. Na me dey talk am. Na me dey talk am because I don see say Africa them, especially Nigeria, una no wan get sense. Una no wan dey use that is, una no wan dey use una sense. Una no wan dey use una sense. Una no wan dey mind una business at all. Another person business now una wan dey chop. After Black Lives Matters. Oh, Black Lives Matters. Una never comot wetin dey una eyes and una dey comot another person own. Oh, white person fit do am, but black person no fit do am. Make we no dey deceive ourselves. Make we stop to dey deceive ourselves. Abi you think say na when you carry gun kill that person, na be say don kill that person? No, you get wetin go do that person. You don't even kill the, you don't even destroy the person. No be even kill, you don't destroy the person. Wetin dey for wetin that girl wear? Abi mo go back to olden days. Wetin olden days people dey wear? Mo go back to olden days. Abi because of say they bring the thing in fashion way now. I no, in short, I don't know where we black. If they say we no call ourselves black, I don't know where we Africa we will get sense. Where we Africa go start to dey appreciate ourselves. We go start to dey appreciate ourselves. As white people they appreciate their people, we will start to dey appreciate ourselves. Oyibo go do am, all is well. Everything dey all right. But black person go do am. You no get the fucking right to do am. Now we una no get sense. Abeg, guys, small una start to dey use them as the scapegoat. If una start to dey use them as the scapegoat, they go stop that rubbish. Anyway, Shami, I no want dey rude for my video, but I know at times get wetin person go see. He go want experience the feelings. Make you talk as he take dey feel. Oh, everything I turn by turn. No. You go still born pikin. Now you go rule your pikin life. Now you go watch wetin your pikin dey do. Your pikin go still grow up now. Anything wey you sow, you shall surely repeat. You know the kind of life wey your pikin go live. You know the kind of life wey your pikin go live. If you live good life, you know the kind of life wey your pikin go live. Anything we dey do, we no dey think of tomorrow. I talk am. You see any threats wey you see, any threat wey you see for internet, believe me, either the boy don ask the girl out, the girl turn am down, or maybe the girl say no dey do again. You go wan come scatter the girl life. Making the girl life scatter the way your own life scatter. I love you guys. One love. If na first time to see my video, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click like. One love. If you say you no go vex for something, you go still see one to go make you vex. Bye dear. I love you guys. Bye dear. One love.